What's happening, champs? Xercuffs here, and today we're going to be talking about why every runner needs resistance bands in their training regimen. Strength training is essential to your running goals, but sometimes it's a little bit cumbersome to fit it into your schedule, and at times it may even be hard to get out the door, such as in this case. As you can see from the scenery on the exterior of my house, it's not a very pretty day. You want to get some strength training in, but it's not so easy to get out to a nearby park to do some kind of body weight park workout, or to get to the gym to do some kind of weight strength training routine. So what's a good solution to do? Let's jump to my office and see what we can find. But first, as we progress to my office, let's see what my cat has been up to. Dun, 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 dun. I've been meowing down the streets, meow, all around. My name is Luna. I am meowing all around town. Meow, 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 meow. Bravo! Bravo! Encore! One more time! Alright, that was enough meowing for today. Alright, we finally made it to the office. Now, let's take a look at what we have here. On the far left here, we have the Spri Flatband. In the middle, we have the Lifeline Superband. Second to last, the Vallejo Resistance Band. And finally, the Spri Xercuffs Band. That's right. The solution we have for you today is to use resistance bands when you're at home or wherever you may be. Now you might be wondering why. Well, the answer to that question is that they're very versatile in the exercises you can perform, as well as they're pretty easy to pack and take with you wherever you may go. Now I gotta get these out and reset them up to make it look nice. Throw that somewhere over there. I think that's how I had it set up previously. That'll work. So, which one of these is good for you? Let's check out a couple of applications for each one. The flat bands are really good for strengthening those little muscles that are used for your control and stability. Another name for them are also stretch bands or therapeutic bands. And they're not just limited to your lower leg stability muscles, but also your upper body stability muscles, especially in your shoulder girdle. Moving on to the super bands, I really like these because they mimic dumbbell exercises that you normally do, such as back rows. And they're great for strengthening those big movements such as the hip hinge found in a good morning. Plus, not to mention, it takes a lot of strength and muscles to stretch the band out and use it for your exercise movements. Next up, we got the most common resistance bands with handles at the ends. This is another great resistance band that helps to mimic a lot of normal gym exercise movements. As a side note, the color of all these resistance bands represent the strength of each one, ranging from light, medium to heavy resistance. Finally, we move into the Xercuffs, which are commonly known as the ankle resistance bands. These are going to be the next love of your life. They specifically target your lower legs and are phenomenal for doing running specific movements. Just as an Olympic lifter would practice their Olympic movements, a runner should also practice their running movements, and with resistance added, it also strengthens your running posture and form during your running movements. You want to see another cool use for this one? Whatcha! Oh yeah, I just did that. Alright, you got a chance to see a couple of exercises with each one, and I'll actually put in the description below a couple of exercises that I've performed already with this one. In the next couple weeks, I'll be rolling out different videos that'll be covering exercises for each one. For example, with the Xercuffs, I have a specific leg workout for these. With the Lifeline Superband, I have a full body workout. And with the Spri Flatband, I have a couple of knee and ankle mobility exercises that I'll be releasing as well. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Just having these lightweight bad boys, and there's just so much you can do. If you're interested in getting these, I'll put a link in the description below for each and every single one so that you can perform all the exercises that you've already seen on this channel or the ones to come when you are out and about and need to get your strength training in. Remember, as a runner, this is one of the foundations of having the ability to keep on running or improve your running is to do some form of strength training. Because if you do this repetitive action over and over and over and over, eventually something's going to break down. A muscle, a tendon, a ligament, you name it. And that's going to lead to some form of running injury that's going to sideline you for a couple of weeks or months, and that's going to hold you back from achieving your running goals. This is the number one tip that I give to anybody who runs, is to do some form of strength training. And the beauty of having these lightweight resistance bands is that you can do some form of strength training anywhere, wherever you may be. Ooh, that actually just gave me an idea. In the shower, in the closet, in the dining room. Even your baby in the dining room. Alright, my Aztec Warriors, that's all I got for you today. If you found this video helpful, share it with your running buddies, and if you haven't joined this amazing running family, hit that subscribe button below. Give this a big thumbs up if you found it useful, and knock it out, champ, and keep on running. Ay, mamma mia.